Okay, so we're told that an order is placed with company X with probability 0.5, company Y with probability 0.3, and company Z with probability 0.2. Part A asks us to compute the probability that one company will receive all 5 orders. Well, that's just the probability that X receives all 5 orders, plus the probability that Y receives all 5 orders, plus the probability that Z receives all 5 orders. Because those are the 3 options. The probability that X receives all 5 orders is just going to be 0.5 to the 5. The probability that Y receives all 5 orders is 0.3 to the 5. For Z, it's 0.2 to the 5. And so you've got total probability of 0.034. For part B, we then want the probability that X gets 2 of the 5, Y gets 1, and Z gets 2. We're going to use a sort of binomial type idea here. So to start off with, we're just going to be saying the probability that X gets 2 and X doesn't get 3. And the probability for that using binomial would be 5 choose 2 times 0.5 squared times the probability that X doesn't get 3. But then instead of just putting 0.5 cubed, we want to specify that Y gets 1 and Z gets 2 out of that. So now we have 3 remaining trials, and we want Y to get 1 of them. So we're going to have 3 choose 1 times 0.3 to the power 1 times the probability that Y doesn't get it, which is the probability that Z does, which is 0.2 to the power 2. And if we compute that, we find that we get 0.09. You can also get this using the multinomial formula, which in this case would be given by the following. So it's the number of trials, which in this case is 5, divided by the factorials times the probability of X to the X, the probability of getting Y to the Y, and the probability of getting Z to the number of Zs. I hope that helps.